Do you want to set a nickname for a friend on Twitter X? You can personalize your conversations by assigning a custom nickname to someone in your chats. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To set a nickname for a friend on your X account. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, make sure you are logged into your account. Then tap on the messages icon to open your direct messages. Now open the conversation with the person for whom you want to set a nickname. Once the chat opens, tap on the person's profile picture or conversation information at the top of the screen. This will open the chat details page. Look for the edit option and tap on it. Enter the nickname that you want to use for this person. After entering the nickname, tap Done. The new nickname will now appear in your chat, making it easier to identify that person. You can return to the same settings at any time to edit or remove the nickname.